Welcome to our researched 20 mistakes people make when wanting friends. Don't overwhelm potential friends with too much enthusiasm. Instead, take a step back and let the friendship develop naturally. This will help you come across as genuine and not desperate, making others more comfortable around you. Don't share too much personal information too soon. Instead, share gradually and build trust over time. This will help create a stronger, more balanced relationship where both parties feel comfortable. Don't dominate conversations by only talking about yourself. Instead, actively listen to others and show genuine interest in their lives. This will help you understand them better and build deeper connections. Don't be flaky or unreliable. Instead, be consistent and dependable in your interactions. This will help others see you as trustworthy, which is crucial for any friendship. Don't constantly complain or be overly critical. Instead, maintain a positive and encouraging attitude. This will make others enjoy being around you and want to spend more time with you. Don't focus only on your needs and wants. Instead, consider the needs and interests of your potential friends. This will help create a balanced and mutually rewarding relationship. Don't judge others harshly for their choices or opinions. Instead, be open-minded and accepting. This will help create a safe and welcoming environment where friendships can flourish. Don't disregard basic hygiene and grooming. Instead, take care of your appearance to make a good impression. This will help you feel confident and show respect for yourself and others. Don't isolate yourself or seem aloof. Instead, be open and approachable. This will help others feel comfortable initiating conversations with you. Don't interrupt others while they're speaking. Instead, wait for your turn to talk. This will show respect for their thoughts and opinions and help maintain a smooth conversation flow. Don't agree with everything just to fit in. Instead, express your own opinions respectfully. This will help you build genuine connections based on mutual respect and understanding. Don't try to force a friendship if it's not reciprocated. Instead, invest your time in people who genuinely want to be friends with you. This will help you build more meaningful and lasting relationships. Don't disregard other people's boundaries. Instead, respect their personal space and limits. This will help create a comfortable and respectful friendship. Don't lie or be deceitful to impress others. Instead, be honest and authentic. This will help you build trust and credibility with potential friends. Don't be rigid in your plans and activities. Instead, be open to new experiences and suggestions. This will help you find common interests and create shared memories. Don't get easily offended by small things. Instead, develop thicker skin and give others the benefit of the doubt. This will help you maintain a positive outlook and keep relationships intact. Don't act like you know everything. Instead, be humble and open to learning from others. This will make you more approachable and relatable. Don't turn everything into a competition. Instead, celebrate your friends' successes and support them. This will help create a supportive and uplifting environment. Don't neglect to follow up after initial meetings. Instead, make an effort to stay in touch and plan future interactions. This will show that you value the budding friendship. Don't hide your true feelings or struggles. Instead, be open about your vulnerabilities. This will help deepen the connection and create a more authentic friendship. And now, 3 surprising benefits of having true friends. Having genuine friendships can improve your physical health by reducing stress, boosting your immune system, and even increasing your lifespan. Enhances your personal growth. True friends challenge you to grow, provide constructive feedback, and support your personal development, helping you become the best version of yourself. Increases your happiness. Strong friendships significantly increase your overall happiness and well-being, providing emotional support, shared joy, and a sense of belonging. Did you enjoy this video? Please help our channel by liking, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. And if you have a question you'd like Phil to explore in a future video, leave a comment below. Thank you, and take care.